Excited to give your CapCut videos an intense sec? Hi, I am Raksha from Online Help Guide. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add an aggressive sec effect to your CapCut videos. Open CapCut and import your video clip. In the editing panel, tap on Effects. Here you can see 3 effects like video effects, body effects and photo effects. Tap on Video Effects. Search for sec. Here you will get many options for sec. Tap on the first option shown in your screen. Tap on the tick mark and adjust the sec effect to your liking. Preview the effects to ensure it matches your desired style. Once satisfied, export your video by clicking at the top right corner of your screen. By following these steps, you can easily add aggressive sec effect to your CapCut videos. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.